Hello, and welcome to another interesting and creative designs video. If you're a fan of camping and the great outdoors, you'll want to check out this list before starting your next adventure. Minipresso GR. For those who struggle to function without their daily dose of caffeine, the Minipresso GR is here to help. It is a compact, lightweight, and durable espresso maker which can produce a 50 milliliter shot of espresso at your convenience. Be your own barista and experiment using your favorite coffee grounds. Simply add coffee, hot water, and use the built-in pump mechanism for a perfect espresso with generous crema every time. This highly rated piece of equipment is essential for coffee-loving explorers. Measuring just 175 millimeters tall by 70 millimeters wide and weighing 360 grams, the Minipresso GR is easily transportable and provides a delicious energy boost for hikes or camping trips. CampStove 2. The CampStove 2 is an award-winning camping stove from Biolite. 50% more powerful than its original version, its impressive vortex design creates smokeless flames for cooking, while a thermoelectric generator takes advantage of the heat to create electricity. This means you can cook meals and charge your electric devices at the same time. A built-in flex light also ensures that you're not fumbling around in the dark. The stove can boil up to 1 liter of water in 4.5 minutes. It is easy to carry as it can be packed down to the size of a 32-ounce water bottle and weighs less than a kilogram, or 935 grams. An onboard battery stores electricity from the generator, which can then be transferred to your devices via USB. An LED interface provides useful information and allows you to control the heat through 4 different fan speeds. Additional accessories such as a portable grill, kettle pot, and coffee press are also available for the CampStove 2. Cooking food in a vortex while charging your phone using smart clean energy. What could be better than that? Pocket Blanket 2.0. Whether camping in a field or having a picnic at the beach, finding a dry, clean place to sit can be tricky at times. Well, how about a blanket that you can keep inside your pocket for just an occasion? The Pocket Blanket 2.0 has received very positive reviews thanks to its durability. Made from hyperlight nylon, it is water repellent and puncture resistant. When fully unfolded, it covers an area of 1.6 meters by 1.1 meters, which can comfortably seat 2 to 4 adults. Weighted corners with pockets for additional weights, plus built-in corner stakes, mean that the blanket will stay in place and not be blown away by heavy winds. When it is time to leave, an easy pack pattern on the blanket tells you where to fold it, so it can be put away in seconds. Then simply slip it back into your pocket. No more frustrating folding and refolding of heavy blankets flapping in the breeze. Cam-O-Bunk. A comfortable area to sit and a good night's sleep are both factors to consider when going camping. The Cam-O-Bunk from Disco Bed provides a creative solution to both issues. Able to transform into a bunk bed, bench, or 2 single beds, it is very easy to assemble thanks to its unique disc design. Sturdy metal poles simply slot into place and can be maneuvered without hassle. If being used outdoors, the design of the legs adjust for uneven ground and prevent sinkage. Once fully set up as a bed or bench, the Cam-O-Bunk supports up to 500 pounds, and unlike other assembly beds, it does not require a central support beam. This means that the fabric contours to your body and results in a comfy seat or sleep, with nothing poking you in the back. Optional 7-inch leg extensions are available for extra height or headroom as a bunk. Plus, storage accessories and a net cover are available as add-ons. When it's time to pack up, the disassembled pieces can be stored in the carry case that comes with it and put in a closet or under your bed at home for another day. Besides, it's always useful to have an extra bed and seating in the house to be ready for guests at short notice. Off-Grid Tools Survival Axe. This survival axe not only looks hardcore, but has 30 unique features to handle about any situation. Its designer, Off-Grid Tools, boasts about its ability to do anything from chopping wood, to hammering nails, to helping you survive a zombie apocalypse. A strong grip is ensured with its glass-filled nylon handle, available in black or green. A 6-inch saw blade folds out and locks into place by twisting a knob located at the bottom of the handle. The hatchet blade is made from heat-treated carbon steel and can be resharpened to cut through just about anything. The hammerhead and claw make it a useful all-in-one tool for construction. Other notable features include hex sockets, glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, nail puller, and bottle opener. When it's not in use, you won't have to worry about your axe getting rusty, as it is coated in a rust-preventing black oxide. So it's ready to pick up and go, whatever the situation, and you'll no doubt feel cool using it. Trekology Yeezy Go Chair. Take in scenic views or relax by the campfire in the Yeezy Go Chair from Trekology. With a new comfy cut and deep seat design, this chair provides superior lower back support compared to previous models. Its loop attachment feature also allows for easier assembly without the need for any tools. Once set up, the chair measures a roomy 28 inches tall by 22 inches wide, with the seat itself being raised 15.4 inches off the ground. The Yeezy Go can support a weight of up to 135 kilograms. A sand cover is sold separately and can be attached to the bottom of the chair to stop it from sinking on softer surfaces. For maximum comfort during hot or humid days, the chair contains breathable side mesh panels to let air flow through and keep you cool. There are also pockets and underseat storage, so you can store snacks, drinks, or personal items. A major benefit of being able to detach the fabric from the Yeezy Go's frame is that the fabric is machine washable. Therefore, you can make sure your seat is clean for each new journey. It also comes with its own travel bag and weighs under 1 kilogram, 960 grams in total for convenient transportation. So pick a color and take your throne with you wherever you go. Lunatec's Aquabot Hydration Spray Water Bottle. Staying hydrated should be a priority for any expedition. This water bottle from Lunatec proves it can also be fun. The Aquabot Hydration Spray Water Bottle has 3 different settings: shower, stream, and mist. This makes it useful in a variety of different ways. You can cool off after a long hike, use it to clean your equipment, and of course, you can drink from it like a standard water bottle. Aside from multiple settings, what makes this bottle unique is that it can produce a stream of water that shoots over 25 feet without the use of any batteries. This makes for fun shootouts between 2 or more people, or for use as a power washer. Able to hold up to a liter of water, the bottle can be disassembled without tools for easy maintenance. Spare parts are available from Lunatec to ensure a long lifespan. Cool off, clean off, hydrate, and have fun. Bison Rolling Barbecue Grill. The Bison Rolling Barbecue Grill is a successfully funded Kickstarter project. The product is a portable grill that can be rolled up and carried for impromptu barbecues or camping trips. It takes less than a minute to unroll and set up the grill, either on the ground or atop an existing barbecue pit. Simply slot on the adjustable stand and sidebars to keep it rigid, get a fire going underneath, and you're ready to cook up a feast. The dimensions of the grill measure 300 millimeters by 250 millimeters. When folded up and put into its accompanying carry sack, the width reduces to just 50 millimeters, so it can easily fit into your backpack. The aluminum bars are coated with a non-stick Teflon coating for a long-lasting, user-friendly experience. It is also dishwasher safe, so keeping it clean is simple. In addition to all of these perks, the Air Fusion hollowed grill bars prevent burn marks on your food, making the food healthier to eat. It's no wonder this project was successfully backed. If you're lucky, you can look forward to seeing one rolled out on a campsite near you soon. UCO Stormproof Matches. Man's ability to create and control fire is a key moment in our advancement as a species. The engineers at UCO, Utility, Comfort, and Originality, have taken this evolution one step further with the creation of stormproof matches. These ingenious matches light up quickly and consistently, whatever the weather. Driving rain, heavy winds, or snowfall will no longer prevent you from lighting your campfire. The matches even relight after being submerged in water. And they're unaffected by dirt. A box of 25 therefore provides over 6 minutes of constant, reliable fire. Don't take the risk of having to battle the elements and be left without fire. Keep a set of stormproof matches in your backpack, emergency kit, or glove box because you never know when you may need them. Jackfish Survival Credit Card Holder. Founded on Kickstarter, receiving over 4 times the requested €20,000 funds, the Jackfish Survival Credit Card Holder is cleverly designed to make maximum use out of minimal space. At just 8.5 millimeters thick, this credit card holder can house up to 4 credit cards while containing many useful survival tools at the same time. Available in aluminum or titanium and made to last for a lifetime, a spring-loaded mechanism keeps the credit cards securely in place. Contained within the holder is a micro screwdriver, especially handy for those who wear glasses, a micro SD card for storing copies of important documents, a true utility microscopic pen with 3 refills, an aluminum whistle, which can produce up to 120 decibels of sound, a glass vial that can contain up to 10 drops of liquid, such as iodine, a windproof match, fire steel, a stainless steel Spyderco bug knife, and a liquid-filled button compass, 15 millimeters in diameter. That's a lot of kit for such a small space. Surprisingly, the titanium version only weighs 145 grams when full. The aluminum version weighs only 106 grams. You can work, travel, and explore, safe in the knowledge that your survival kit is with you should you need it. And all without having to carry lots of heavy equipment. Now that's intelligent design. Which gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments section and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. To stay up to date with interesting and creative content, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.